It's time to turn to natural ingredients that are sure to restore the glow to your face. So now you no longer have to cover up dull, flat skin with expensive makeup products. What better way to make sure your face lights up than saying a big hello to hydration? A sheet mask traps moisture on top of your skin to help it absorb every drop. Mix together a magic potion of 2 tablespoons of pure glycerin, 2 tablespoons of brewed chamomile tea, and 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Glycerin is our favorite hydrating agent, while chamomile calms dry patches of skin and lavender soothes irritation. Soak a compressed cotton sheet mask in this rich serum and let it sit on your face for 15 to 20 minutes to get the ultimate drink of moisture. Glycerin helps pull water from the environment into your skin, keeping it moisturized and healthy, making it the perfect ingredient to bring life back to your face. Incorporate it into your routine with a cleanser like the Pear's Pure and Gentle Bathing Bar. Its paraben-free formula is enriched with glycerin as well as natural oils, helping it gently cleanse your face while still keeping it hydrated for a lit from within glow. A facial steam helps get deep into your pores to cleanse them of dirt and boosts blood circulation to give you that no makeup flush you've always dreamed of. And the best part is, you can make your own totally natural herbal steam right from your home. Just fill a bowl up with steaming hot water and sprinkle in rose petals to soothe and hydrate your skin, along with lemon peels to energize and brighten it. Hold your face about 8 inches from the water and drape a towel over to trap the steam. Now breathe in deeply, allowing it to work its magic on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Replace your foundations and BB creams with just a few cubes of ice that will tighten your skin and blur your pores, making you look flawless. Mix together some aloe vera gel with some rose water and dried rose petals. The aloe vera hydrates and soothes redness while the rose water depuffs your skin. Freeze this mixture until it becomes solid. Rub these ice cubes over your face, focusing on your under eyes, forehead and cheeks for a completely natural anti-aging solution that will make you look like you're wearing an Instagram filter. Fruits like pineapples and papayas are full of enzymes that chemically exfoliate your skin, revealing a brighter, smoother complexion and can transform your face. Blend 1 slice of a ripe papaya with a scoop of creamy yogurt and 2 teaspoons of honey. The enzymes in the papaya will dissolve impurities and dead cells under your skin, while the yogurt tones your face and honey nourishes and hydrates it. Layer it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse off to see a noticeable difference. Try these natural methods and enjoy that instant glow that lasts all day. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.